We are recreating Hailey Bieber's Erewhon smoothie.
Gonna be good.
I'm so excited.
I know, I can't wait to try it.
We've been wanting to go to LA to try this smoothie.
We are in Saskatoon.
We are in Saskatoon, so we thought we'd make it at home. We have all of the ingredients in front of us. Let's give it a go.
Test it out. So first we got our glasses ready for our coconut yogurt.
Okay, you're the food star.
Oh yeah, I'll do this part. Okay, I'll do this part. And then you're gonna think about the jam, which is strawberries.
Yes.
And then it's got simple syrup.
So we did make this off camera. It is just frozen strawberries and simple syrup. And then they also add in some beetroot powder to give it that really gorgeous color.
Come on, yogurt. All right, we're gonna go like that.
Cute. Okay.
It's dripping a little bit, but it's gonna be great. I'm gonna go like this.
That's actually really pretty.
And then we're gonna rotate the glass. It's not an exact science.
So this is a coconut yogurt.
Yes.
Some people also use like a coconut cream, but I could find coconut yogurt.
And coconut yogurt is delicious. Come on, yogurt. There you go. All right.
Lovely.
That's going to be good. And then we're going to put jelly, right? Or jam into the bottom.
Yes. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to put this little jelly jam into the bottom.
And it looks so delicious.
Should I just plop it?
Yeah, go for it. Or do you want me to? Yeah, just like put it down gently into the bottom. You can do it. Yeah. Okay. Probably like 2 or more.
Yeah.
It's going to be nice. And the color is so pretty.
The color is beautiful. The beetroot powder works so good.
Do 3 in the other one or 2?
No, I did 2.
Okay. All right.
You think that's enough? We'll see.
Put 1 more.
1 more. Okay.
Just so because if it rises up, it'll be nice.
It's just such a pretty color.
We have 1 cup of strawberry per person. So we have roughly 2 cups here. We're going to put them in. There we go.
They are the best strawberries.
They're so delicious, especially for being like early spring in Saskatchewan. They're so tasty.
So good. And
then we're going to go with the dates. You got dates at the front.
Right here.
2 dates a person. Come on, dates. Need half an avocado. I'll take my avocado.
And then it's also half a banana per smoothie. So
Yeah,
I'm just going to add in the full banana.
Okay, we'll put the avocado there.
Banana. Hard one to find in Sask, but the recipe calls for sea moss gel, and I had to make it from scratch.
Brianne was like, on the weekend, I'm gonna hydrate my own sea moss. And we're like, okay.
The instructions literally say to rinse out the sand. So I was a little nervous, but
it wasn't sandy.
No, it wasn't sandy. And this one actually turned out pretty good. So I'm gonna add in our sea moss.
It's like roughly a tablespoon a person. And this is the beetroot powder that we had used in the bottom for our little jam. 1 full dropper per person, so 2 droppers.
Yeah, 2 droppers.
Yeah.
This is a vanilla stevia, which I don't love the flavor of usually.
So we're gonna see how it is.
Yeah, I can usually pinpoint the flavor of stevia.
Yeah, it's pretty distinctive. But you're essentially just making the smoothie at this point. I'm like, that's nice.
No, I'm so nervous. This is your area of expertise. I know you can't really screw up a smoothie, but I literally feel like I'm gonna screw up a smoothie.
We're good. So you need 8 ounces of almond milk per person. So all the way to the top is 5 ounces. We'll do 3 of these and then 1 extra ounce.
1 shot of vodka.
Yeah. Jigger of vodka. Do a bartender's thing. We'll just be like, whoosh,
yeah, we really
the whole
should.
time.
I think I'm a bit more creative or better at cooking after a couple glasses of wine.
Yeah, why not?
I might thrive then.
There you go.
We're just gonna say that this is.
Oh, that'll be perfect. And we just blend it.
1 more thing.
What is it? Oh, yes.
2 more things.
Yes. No, we're not done.
No, we are not. So the recipe also calls for a Vital Proteins collagen powder. I also do not like the taste of most collagens. So curious to see if we can taste
Cheers.
it. Cheers.
About a tablespoon a person.
Last but not least, maple syrup. I'm going to let you do this.
Sure. I think it said a tablespoon. This is our tablespoon.
There you go.
Thanks, girl. Nice.
Perfect.
All right. And then that's it, right?
Yeah. So that's it for ingredients. So now we're going to blend.
Oh, that's going to be so nice.
It's a really nice color.
Definitely. It's on like smoothie function.
Whew.
If it was up to me, this is not good. That's not good at all.
Should we redo our glasses?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Round 2 on the glasses.
Yeah, I don't like that.
They do look kind of janky.
It's like, it's giving that like, yeah, we're not doing that. So
We're back. Okay, so Shan's a food stylist.
And I'm like, we've got to get this right. Those glasses don't look right. So we're going to
No.
fix them up.
They were very droopy.
The yogurt was starting to drip, and we're like, no, it's not going to work out.
I have a yogurt ick to begin with. Like, I think yogurt is
Icky.
disgusting. So,
but it is tasty. But you know what? Yeah, I know what you mean.
But like, it looks weird. Anyways, we're gonna make it look pretty again. Okay. Reverse the order. Jam first.
Yeah, put the jam in.
It's actually not jam.
I want to call it jam because it looks jammy.
It does.
Strawberry and simple syrup. It's practically a jam.
Right. Right.
Beautiful. By my yogurt swirling trick again. I did this the other week for a smoothie photo shoot I did, and it turned out beautifully. And then, of course, sometimes when you do stuff on camera, you're like, ooh.
It never goes quite as, oh, that's nice. Hailey would be so impressed.
Would she? I hope you see this, girl. Okay. Cute. And then you can probably just go ahead and pour the smoothie in that one because it's going to go right on top.
Okay.
And I'm going to do this. I like that it's kind of wiggly. I feel like that's like on trend right now. It's cute.
This is so dumb. Do I open this?
Yeah, open it. It'll make it so much easier. That's not dumb. No dumb questions here.
Oh, gosh. Oh, it smells really good.
Ooh, see, we're kind of getting like a half color mix there with our jam in the bottom. It's beautiful, actually. Oh. Yeah, go for it again.
Stunning.
Cute little strawberries. We're just going to pop them on top and fan them out. That'll be cute.
I would never be able to cut it like this. I'm obsessed.
Ooh, so cute.
Oh.
It's all good. Okay, let's test it out.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, it's actually really good.
Really nice. And we're going like straight into that jelly too.
It's super good. It's really sweet. What would you rate it?
I don't know. 9 out of 10 for sure.
9?
It's so delicious. I want it to be colder, but I love it.
I love it too. I don't love cold things, so I'm actually going to give this a 10 because
10.
it is like
she loves it.
The perfect room temperature.
The perfect room temperature smoothie. Beautiful. We did it.
Yay, we did it.
Yay.
No trip to LA needed.
No. Cheers.